I'm Eli Mercer, and I'm an entrepreneur here in Austin, Texas, and I also teach here at the business school. So the introduction to entrepreneurship class is broken down into three basic areas. First thing we do is we take a look at what we as individual entrepreneurs want out of our business. So we call it a self-analysis process. Once we get that, the second section of the course deals specifically with idea analysis. So we take all the different ideas that the students have submitted and we put them through a very rigorous process. And we go out and we do primary and secondary research. We figure out which ideas have a best chance of winning. Third part of the class is what we call business analysis. And in that third part, we use a lot of very industry standard tools to analyze their market, the industry, the business model, and their competition. So the goal of the class is essentially for students to be able to work at real-world business ideas. And by doing that, they achieve a certain level of proficiency in skills that help them to analyze future business opportunities.
Learn how to cite properly, go through databases, projections, stats, funding. I would definitely recommend this to my friends because this is probably the best learning experience you could get.